Welcome to the Pi App Studio update. We've rolled out powerful new code features, including enhanced syntax highlighting and real-time collaboration tools.
All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're breaking down a really big update to the Pi App Studio. And this isn't just a small tweak. It's a huge shift in how you can bring your ideas to life inside the Pi ecosystem. It's really all about building a bridge between two worlds that, until now, have been pretty far apart.
See, in the Pi world, creating an app has kind of followed two separate paths. On one side, you've got the creator. You're bursting with amazing ideas, but you're maybe a little stuck with the templates you're given. And on the other side, you've got the developer. You can build literally anything from scratch, but man, the logistics of integrating with Pi and deploying can really slow you down. So for a long time, these two paths just ran alongside each other, and they never really crossed. This created a huge gap, right? A gap between a simple idea built from a template and a fully customized, super powerful app. Well, this latest update to the Pi App Studio is here to fix exactly that. And they're calling it the Code Bridge, and honestly, it's the perfect name. This thing is a brand new feature designed to finally connect the world of easy, no-code creation with the world of custom development. It creates this seamless flow between the two.
So what is this bridge really? Well, technically, it's a new code download and upload feature, and it's as simple as it sounds. You can now export the entire source code of an app you build in the studio, take it offline to tinker with it or have a developer go wild, and then re-import that new, supercharged version right back onto the platform. This is a total game changer. Let's just walk through how this works, because it's actually beautiful in its simplicity. So step 1, you build a quick prototype in the App Studio. You get the basics down. Step 2, you hit a button and download all the source code. Step 3, you or a developer you're working with can customize anything and everything you want. And finally, step 4, you just upload that new version. That's it. It's that easy.
And this really gets to the heart of why this matters so much. As the Pi team themselves put it, this just unlocks a whole new level of creative control. We're talking about fine-tuning features, completely overhauling the user interface to match your brand, or adding some crazy new functionality that you've been dreaming up. So let's break this down. First, for all you creators out there, the folks with the big ideas but maybe not the coding background, for you, this is all about unleashing those ideas and finally breaking free from the limits of a template.
This opens up so many doors. Now you can get that one specific feature just right, instead of settling for close enough. You can add completely custom designs. And here's the big one. You can now collaborate so easily with a developer. You just hand them the code. Or hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even use your own app as the perfect project to start learning how to code yourself. The bottom line is simple, really. Your vision is no longer limited by the tool. That wall between your amazing idea and making it a reality, it just got a whole lot smaller. Okay. Now let's walk across that bridge and talk to the developers. For you, this update is basically a fast lane. It's all about helping you prototype and get your app out there way, way faster. I mean, just look at the before and after. Before, you know the drill, right? You had to build everything from the ground up, wrestle with the Pi integration yourself, and manage the whole deployment headache. But now, you can whip up a prototype in the App Studio in minutes, export it for the series development work, and then just re-upload it for a super simple deployment. And the main benefit here is just massive. It lets you focus on what you actually enjoy, building an amazing product, instead of getting bogged down in all the logistical plumbing. It's going to speed up your entire workflow. But wait, there's more. The Code Bridge is the big headline here for sure, but the team also rolled out a bunch of other quality of life improvements that just make building stuff a smoother, better experience for everyone. First off, managing your apps just got a serious upgrade. There's a new admin interface, and you can finally sort and search through your projects, which, if you have a lot of them, you know is a huge deal. Oh, and you can now delete old apps to keep your workspace from getting cluttered. These are those little things that make a huge difference. And then there are the new limits. Get ready for this. The old app creation limit was 10. The new limit, it's 100. That's a 10-fold increase, giving you so much more room to play, to experiment, and to build out your ideas. Here's another small one that feels big. You know how you used to have to add Pi units one by one by one? Well, not anymore. Now you can add up to 100 at a time. It's another one of those little updates designed to remove friction and just make your life easier. And on top of all that, there's a bunch of general UI improvements across the board to make everything feel more seamless.
For example, they fixed that annoying bug that was preventing people from editing their chatbots properly after customizing an app. It's all about making the platform feel polished and intuitive. So, all of this brings us to the big question, doesn't it? What will you build? Because that bridge between simple creation and complex development, well, it is officially open for business. The barriers are down. The walls that kept these two ways of working separate have finally crumbled. It's not a choice anymore between a simple template or a complex custom build. It's now one smooth, connected process. So I'll just leave you with this one final thought to chew on. With these new tools in your hands, tools that directly connect your ideas to code and just blow away the old limitations, what new possibilities does this open up for you? What are you going to build next?